In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a quiz element in Practice Better, step by step, so you can create interactive and engaging content for your clients. Whether you're a coach or health practitioner, quizzes can be a great way to engage your audience and test their knowledge. Stay tuned, because by the end of this video, I'll also share some fantastic alternatives to Practice Better that may suit your needs even better. First off, let's jump right into Practice Better. The good news is, Practice Better makes it easy to add quizzes, but it's not always the most intuitive process. Let's break it down. First thing, open your Practice Better account and head over to the Library tab. From here, you'll want to select Forms and AMP, Assessments. This is where your quiz will live. Now, click on the Create New Form button. This opens up a blank template. Next, choose the type of form you want, but in this case, select the quiz option. This step is key because, while Practice Better allows for custom forms, quizzes have special functionality that you don't want to miss. Next thing, once you've selected the quiz option, it's time to start building your questions. You can add multiple choice questions, true/false, short answer, or even scales to gauge how your clients are doing. The interface for adding questions is simple. Just click the Add Question button, type in your question, and then select your answer format. Now, let's talk about the settings. The cool thing about Practice Better is that you can set scoring rules for your quiz. You can decide whether you want to assign points for each correct answer or set it to automatically grade. This is great for ensuring your clients get real-time feedback, which adds an interactive element to the quiz. Moving on to the next thing, customizing your quiz results. After your clients complete the quiz, Practice Better allows you to set up what happens next. Do you want them to receive an email with their results? Or maybe you want to send them to a thank you page. This is an important step to make sure your quiz is adding value and keeping the experience seamless for your clients. Once you've set everything up, it's time to make your quiz available. You'll need to assign it to a client's account or link it to a specific program. This part of the process is super simple. Just head over to the Programs tab, select the program, and link your quiz. Your clients will be able to access it directly from their client portal. The fourth thing to keep in mind is analytics. Once your clients start taking the quiz, Practice Better gives you a nice dashboard where you can see their results. However, this feature could be more advanced. If you're after more detailed reporting, Practice Better might not fully meet your needs. But don't worry, I'll mention some alternatives in a moment. Now, to wrap up, adding quizzes in Practice Better is a straightforward process with the right tools. It does have its limitations when compared to other platforms, especially in terms of detailed analytics and customizability. But if you're already using Practice Better for other things, like scheduling or billing, it's a convenient option. However, if you're looking for something more robust or with more flexible features for quizzes, I have some great alternatives for you. These alternatives not only allow quizzes, but offer advanced features and free trials that you can explore with zero commitment. For our viewers, we've partnered with these alternatives and secured an exclusive and extended free trial that you won't find anywhere else. Click the link in the description to get the best free trial and exclusive benefits that are only available through our link. So, whether you stick with Practice Better or explore these other fantastic platforms, you'll be set up for success.